My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome back. So today's video is going to be an Allure beauty box unboxing for the month of March. Now, no one even ever watches my Allure unboxings. I don't know why I film them, but I'm sitting here and I've been debating whether I wanted to film it, but I just really want to know what I got. So, okay, I'm gonna film it. And so the case is white this time. Well, it's more like a cream instead of black like last month. I was thinking this would be like super cute to use as like a little clutch for the beach because it's, you know, something that doesn't matter if it got wet or not. Just the thoughts. Here is the little pamphlet for this month. Ooh, the first product, it wasn't in the bag, so I'm just going to talk about it, is this, Au Naturel, the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick in Grapefruit. Wow. It's like two different colors. You see in the center, it's like an orange and then it's pink on the outside. I was expecting it to be a highlighter. I don't know why. My subconscious just wanted a highlighter. Okay. Oh, this golden peachy cream blush. Huh, that is pretty though. It's not the creamiest. It's just cream products. I always forget to do them before I set my powder. Alright, so price is $35. This is full size and it is 0.3 ounces. So the next product I see is this Mamonde Rose Water Toner. Price is $23, is 0.84 ounces. I love anything rose scented and I really like rose toners. And it says benefit, soothing and moisturizing, skin type, all skin types. That smells so good. I tried their like oil to foam cleanser and I really liked it. So I'm excited to try this. Alright, next you get one of two products, either, damn it, an eye gel or a vitamin C rose oil. So I got this Biossance, I don't know how to say that, Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. It says, the marquee ingredients hydrate and brighten so well that after I tried this oil, there was no going back. I press it on after moisturizer, which makes my skin dewier, not oily. I might be willing to try that. And it priced $72. Damn! Alright, the next product is this Allure Seriously Soothing Night Oil. There are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. I use it after my retinol at night, on dry spots before makeup, even on the ends of my hair. Ooh. Oh. So okay, price $12.99. Alright. Why am I getting so many oils? The next product, which one am I going to do? Okay. Is this Derma E Micro Dermabrasion Scrub. Price $32.50. This is a half an ounce. This scrub with salt and grapeseed oil collapses many skincare steps into one pot. It lifts away dead cells, clears pores, moisturizes, and it delivers. My skin texture is better and my cheekbones look downright glinty. I definitely need a good sort of exfoliator because I have such dry skin, so I am willing to try this. Next product is Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. Price is $48. This is 0.17 ounces. It says a facial balm sounds scary heavy, but this one is quick absorbing. After a few days, its natural oils got rid of redness and dry spots that were making my skin look uneven and ashy. I have been like eyeing the Ren like firming beauty shot on Sephora. It's like a firming serum, and I've just been wanting to try like Ren products. So I'm really excited to get this. Oh, that feels like so good. This legit feels like silk, like melting into my skin. Okay, and the last product is Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. It is a serum. It says price $29.50. Oh, I have tried this before. That is crazy. I had a sample of this that had like a third left. I have had it forever, like probably years. And I'm like, you know what? I'm never gonna finish this. So I literally threw it out today. And then I get a sample of it. I'll put this in for giveaways. It's just, it didn't like, you know, speak to me on like some other level. Like, oh wow, I have to have this. You know what I'm saying? But, alright, let me see how I feel about this overall. Overall, I think it was a solid box. You know, I think like a cream blush is like, will be really good. Like I'm going on a cruise, you know, I can just like put some on my cheeks, like not put makeup on, just do that, and it'll be very natural. And then maybe like some cream highlighter, and I think that'll look super cool. I'm so excited to try something by Ren, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you, because there were a few things that there was one of two options, so let me know if you got any of the other products. Like I would have rather had the Belief, the True, or the Aqua Bomb, the True Cream, instead of this, but you don't always get what you want in life, do ya? Alright guys, I love you. I will see you next time. Bye.